Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. I'm gonna do some tutorials for beginners. These are 5 tutorials that are showing you chord progressions of 1, 4, 5 on the open position of the guitar, and the open position is around about here. You know, what is meant by open position is when at least one of the strings is not fretted, and that string has a note that is within the chord, and you must also have in the progression at least one chord that is open. Okay, in other words, it's not bad. Now the first one I'm gonna play is the C, and the C is our root. It's gonna be played like this. I'm going to show you slowly. The first finger is going to come on string number 2, fret number 1, and the second finger is going to come on fret number 2 of string number 4, and finger number 3 is going to come down on fret number 3, string number 5, and these fingers are fretting vertically so that the other strings that are not fretted are ringing properly. So you have that. You must be able to play that. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do with these chords, I'm going to spell them. The spelling system I'm going to use is the degree system. The degree system is derived from the major scale. You pick the degree number from which the note is coming from in the major scale of that particular key. So in this one, C, all notes are in the chord there. So the first one is a third. Second one is the root. Third one is a third. And the fourth one is open, it's a fifth, and this one here is the root, and the last string, which is the first string, is a third. Okay, so spelling it properly, gonna have a 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3. Okay, now we want to move from 1 to 4. The fourth chord in the key of C is, if you count from C, C, D, E, F. F is the chord there. So the F that is underneath this C is this F here. Let me just fret it, and then we can talk about it. This is not an open chord. Okay. What is very important about any chord is to identify the roots first. Now the roots of this chord are this on fret number 1, string number 1, and fret number 3, string number 4, and fret number 1, string number 6. Okay, now this chord here, let's spell it. This is 1, and that's 5. That's 1. That's 3. That's 5. And that is 1. Okay, so it's 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1. Okay, that's your F. So if you're changing from C like that, and back to F, to C, F. Okay, so there we are with our 2 chords there. Now let's add the other chord, which is our fifth. Our fifth is, if we count again, C, D, E, F, G. So G major is our fifth when we're in the key of C. So G major is fretted this way. Let me just fret it and we'll talk about it. I fret it this way. There are many ways. Or this way. You can fret it this way, or this way. I normally like this way. Yeah. Okay, so let's explain this one here. Let's ring it first. Okay, so we have here the spelling again. In the key of G major, the spelling is 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, and 1. Okay, so it's like that. So it's gonna be 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 1. By the way, you spell these chords starting from the thickest string. That's how you spell these chords. Okay, because that's how you fret them here. Now, if you find that one difficult, you can fret it this way. Okay, thank you very much. This is now the stage where we have to apply these chords, these 3 chords. Let's play some measures. Then we'll go some measures in F. Then we'll go back to C, some measures. Then we'll go some measures G. We're actually counting. They do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, so we would have completed, 1, 4, 1, 5. So let's start here with this one. So that's how you start it. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, again. Okay, so continue to play that, until you master it. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, Okay, so that's how you got there with a 1-4-1-5 chord progression. So make sure you take 4 measures in the first chord, 4 measures in the fourth chord, 4 measures in the fifth chord, and that this will create a rhythm. We will change some measures at some point in time, but this is the actually basic way of studying the chords. You take 4 measures so that you have time enough to change. You don't want any quick changes in any you know, when you are still beginning. So again, let's count for the last time. Change. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I look forward to seeing you again in the next chord progression when we move to the chord of A and we find the progression then. I'll see you later. Thank you very much. Bye.